रेडी स्टार्ट। आत्मनिर्भर भारत अभियान और सेल्फ रिलायंट इंडिया कैंपेन is a special economic relief package of rupees 20 lakh crores announced by Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi. He announced this campaign on 12th May 2020 during the coronavirus crisis. The objective of the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan is to make India self-reliant by strengthening the economic system of the country and to give a new direction to the development journey of the country. The package of Atmanirbhar Bharat amounts to almost 10% of India's GDP. The Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan was introduced by the Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi to help the country recover from the economic impact of the coronavirus pandemic by promoting self-reliance. Formally launched on May 12, 2020, the scheme's goal is to turn a crisis into an opportunity by reducing reliance on imports and promoting equality indigenous products. It does not promote isolation but aligns with India's cultural values encapsulated in the phrase Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the whole world is one family, drawn from Maha Upanishad. This self-reliance initiative is built on 5 key pillars: economy, infrastructure, our system, demography, and demand. Following the scheme's announcement, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman unveiled 5 separate economic relief packages to support various sectors' growth. Some of the slogans initiated under Atmanirbhar Bharat are Vocal for Local, Local for Global, Make for World, and Brain Drain to Brain Gain. The Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan strategy attempts to provide a major supply side boost by increasing the availability of low-cost finance and assisting the agriculture and commercial sectors. However, there is also an urgent need for demand stimulation right now. People's purchasing power must be enhanced and there must be an increase in demand for industrial products and services. The Ayushman Bharat Yojana scheme offers health insurance cover to beneficiaries without paying any premium during hospitalization. The Ayushman Bharat scheme covers both pre and post hospitalization expenses in addition to inpatient treatment charges. Para. All impaneled hospitals under the PMJAY scheme have appointed Pradhan Mantri Arogya Mitra, who helps the patient by coordinating with the hospital in order to cut expenses. You will find these Arogya Mitras at their help desk, where they will verify the eligibility criteria, documents, and the enrollment process. They also provide letters to all beneficiaries with their respective QR codes. Furthermore, this QR code is scanned and verified to check the eligibility of people to avail Ayushman Bharat Yojana benefits. The Ayushman Bharat scheme offers medical coverage across India, and cashless hospitalization benefits to enrolled families in both public and private hospitals. The expenditure incurred in premium payment will be shared between central and state governments in specified ratio as per Ministry of Finance guidelines in vague. The total expenditure will depend on actual market determined premium paid in states, UTs where Ayushman Bharat National Health Protection Mission will be implemented through insurance companies. In states, UTs where the scheme will be implemented in a trust society mode, the central share of funds will be provided based on actual expenditure or premium ceiling, whichever is lower in the predetermined ratio. Stop.